Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to upscale video quality in Higgsfield. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Higgsfield AI website. Once the homepage loads, hover over the video section to view the available tools. From the menu, select Video Upscale to open the enhancement workspace. Next, click on Upload Media and choose the video file you want to improve from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish completely before continuing. Larger video files may take more time to process, so keep the tab open during the upload. After your video loads, choose the enhancement model that best matches your footage. Higgsfield Upscale works well for balanced quality improvements while keeping the original look natural. Sora 2 Enhancer is ideal for cleaner footage that needs sharper details. If your clip looks blurry or noisy, Topaz Video is a better option for stronger sharpening and denoising. Once you've selected the model, click Upscale to begin processing. Higgsfield will enhance the resolution and clarity of your video automatically. Processing time depends on the video length and selected model. So that's basically how you can upscale video quality in Higgsfield. That's it for this video, thanks.